like I'm saving all of this money for products that I didn't need, didn't necessarily want, didn't know existed. Greetings, Earthlings! Hello and welcome. Please subscribe. I am back today with everyone's favorite, and including my own, a TJ Maxx and Marshalls high-end makeup haul. And this time we have a special appearance by Nordstrom Rack, which is actually a funny story, but I'll get to that when we get to the Nordstrom Rack stuff. And I also want to warn you, there is a lot of lipsticks. So we'll start with what I got at Marshalls because it's actually the smallest thing. I only got one thing. I got this kit from Tropez. It was retailed for $48, but a $68 value. It was originally $30 at Marshalls, and I got it on clearance for $20. It came with this Advanced 1 Hour Tan Bronzing Mist, which is $40 on the Ulta website. I have not used it yet. I might use it today though, because I think this is the kind where you have to put it on and then wait an hour or 2 or 3 and then shower. My deal is I usually shower, get out, and then put on like Tarte Brazilians Plus because I feel like that's just easier. I don't have time to put this on and then wait around before I shower, but I might try it today because today's Saturday, so I'll have more time for that. It also came with a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo, a little miniature one, and I have tried one of these before and I like it. I use a lot of dry shampoo because I only wash my hair twice a week. It also came with a bronzing mitt, which by the way is one of the most amazing things that I have ever discovered in my entire life. Bronzing mitts, like they I don't know why I waited so long to get one. Like scrubbing my hands afterwards was just always a nightmare. And then it came with this cool little stainless steel water bottle that says Tropez on it. I haven't used it yet because I have to wash it out first, but it's cool. I dig it. Now we will move on to TJ Maxx. Sorry if I'm going kind of fast. I'm just like in a really like hyper pumped up mood. We will start with this. This is the only drugstore thing that I got. This is a RealTechniques diamond sponge. I had gotten one of these before at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, but it was like the Blush Crush one, and I really like it because it has like a special squish to it. It's kind of like one of those like squishy, like stress ball kind of squishies. I don't know, it feels really cool, especially when it's wet and it's expanded. Like I just love the way that it feels, and it has like so many different sides, but like sometimes the point scares me when I'm going up to my eye, but I mean it's a sponge. They had these for like $4 or $5, but then this one was on clearance for $3. I don't know what the difference was, but I got it and I like it. And then for the first time in a really long time, I bought a fragrance without first smelling it. I used to buy perfumes at TJ Maxx and Marshalls like all the time, and yeah, I never smelled them first. Didn't know if I liked them. I just know that they were cheap there, but I haven't found anything I wanted in a really long time. And I found this Michael Kors Exotic Blossom. This is the 1 fluid ounce. I bought it for $25 on the Ulta website. It is $64, so that's a good deal. I love when I find stuff that's still full price online because it's like I'm saving all of this money for products that I didn't need, didn't necessarily want, didn't know existed. But I'm saving money, right? Right? Keep telling yourself that. It is a very summery scent. Like, I mean, summer technically just ended like 2 days ago, but I live in Florida, so it's summer like 51 weeks out of the year. I forget what the notes are, but there were only 3 notes in here, which is kind of what intrigued me about it. It's very, like, it's floral, fresh, fruity, tropical. I think Exotic Blossom does a good way to describe how it smells. Like, if you can imagine the name Exotic Blossom and the bright orange color of this, you can get kind of like a good feel of how this smells. It's very tropical, very summery. And then I got 2 Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipsticks. They had a ton of these there, but I wanted to get ones that were a little bit more unique. I paid $7.99 for one of them, and then the other one I almost bought for $7.99, but then I saw it on sale for $4.50. And like I opened it to make sure there was nothing wrong with it, and there wasn't anything wrong with it. So I'm like, okay, I'll get the one for $4.50 then. I got the shades NaYeon. I don't know what it means, but it's like it's described as a pitch black with gunmetal reflect. It's nice and smooth. It's just really unique. It's not the most opaque. I think it's just the formula because it is so shimmery. But with a good like lip liner underneath, I think it would look really cool. And Halloween's coming, so you know. And then I got Plan 9, which is this like Slytherin green color is what I'd like to call it. I don't know if it's supposed to be metallic or anything. It doesn't have any shimmer in it, but it is kind of shiny. It's hard to explain. I want to give these a try. And these are both still available on the Sephora website for full price of $19. I saved a lot of money on lipstick I didn't need. Then the last thing I got from TJ Maxx, I got this at the checkout also because, you know, stores, I don't know who first came up with this, but making a line where you have to walk through other goodies is so good for them, so bad for me. I found this oil. I don't know the brand. It's just a Coco Lavender Shimmer body oil, and it's really pretty. Like, it's purple, it's sparkly, it's gold, and I like the smell of lavender. I think that it's soothing, but this is just gross. Like, it's really messy. It doesn't really, I mean, I guess it smells like lavender, but once you put it on, it dissipates pretty quickly, and it's not much of a shimmer. It doesn't really feel nice, but I mean, it looks cute to like sit on a vanity or something. And this was $5.99. So now on to our special guest, Nordstrom Rack. So I was like, oh, I wonder if Nordstrom Rack sells makeup. And I went online strictly to find out more information, but it turns out they sell discount makeup right there online. Tons of it. Tons. And I went crazy. I threw so much stuff in my cart, which I usually do whenever I shop, and then I have to go back and weed through it. And I ended up getting strictly Urban Decay lipsticks. This is true. So the first 2 things I got these little sets that came with a lipstick and a lip liner, which they're all still available on the Ulta website. The lip liner full price at $20 and the lipstick full price at $18. I spent $13 on the kit. This is in the shade Big Bang. It's a pretty pink, kind of metallic-y pink color. There's the lip liner that goes with it. And then the lipstick itself, I knew that I would like it because I had a little mini one that came in like a Sephora Favorites. It's really pretty. It's so shimmery. It's very beautiful. Yeah, I mean, that's all I gotta say. It's pretty. And then I got the shade Blackmail, which is a comfort matte. It looks like it's straight black, but it's really like a deep berry color. It's hard to tell, but you can kind of tell by see, like, that's a completely different color, but this is the matching lip liner. See, you can kind of see it there because it's not as saturated. It's just like a deep berry, burgundy wine, whatever you want to call it. And then I got 3 of the Vice liquid lipsticks, and these are pretty much sold out everywhere. I'm pretty sure they've been discontinued. I spent $8.50 on each of these. There are a couple still on the Sephora website, but I think they only have like 1 shade left, and they're like $9 or something like that. Like, it wasn't much different than what I paid for. I got the shades Flame, Trap Queen, and Firebird. So Flame, I was really excited about because I feel like it's super unique. It's like this orange color with gold reflect, but it's, I don't know, it's not really opaque, and it's kind of like chunky. I don't know. Like, I think these are just old or something. It's just not what I envisioned when I bought it. I mean, maybe if I put like a lip liner on underneath, but I don't have any orange lip liners. And then this is Firebird, which is this like hot magenta. But look how it's settling in the tube. Like, I don't know. That's kind of weird, right? This one's not the most opaque either. Wow. I should get an Instagram career swatching. But it's a pretty color. It's just not really pigmented. And then the last one is Trap Queen, which is a red with very, very fine shimmer in it. It's like a gold shimmer. This one is the most pigmented. And it also does not like to come off. So those are the 3 Urban Decay Vice Liquid lipsticks I had gotten. I wanted to get more. I'm kind of glad that I didn't because I was kind of disappointed in these. And if I remember correctly, I don't think they were very popular when they first came out either. I mean, I could be wrong, but I don't remember seeing any like reviews where people just went crazy about them. But I thought I'd give them a shot. Oh well, yeah. So that is it for this haul. I want to go to Nordstrom Rack like in store and see what I can find. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you want me to keep shopping and bargain hunting and treasure hunting when I sift through all of the makeup in these crazy stores. Let me know. Okay, I don't know what that was. Have a good day. Bye.